In this guide, I will show you how you can check in online in airserbia. So friends, if you want to check online, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for airserbia. This is the keyword. After that, scroll down, click this official website here. You will see this page. From here, go to your check-in on this section. Choose the country here, for example, the Serbia country or any state this destination have or traveler, for example, New York. Write your booking reference, choose your surname, for example, this is my surname, and then choose your booking reference or ticket number. You can get your ticket number, booking reference, and your ticket. From here you will see your booking reference. Write your booking reference and then click on check-in. Click on check-in option. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your